What's up, beautiful people? Yeah, I'm not just getting up, like I just did my face routine and everything, but I'm about to do my lashes. And I think I mentioned in my last video that I was going to show y'all exactly how I do my filling, but I decided to do a complete full set. And I'm going to show y'all this using both individual lashes and clusters. I will say that the first time I did my clusters, it took me about an hour. If I'm doing the individuals and the clusters, I can't exactly say how long that's going to take, but I will mention the entire runtime at the end of the video. I look really weird without lashes though. Not weird in a bad way, but it's like I'm just so used to seeing lashes on my face that when I don't have on lashes, it's like, I don't know, like I feel like I look fresh faced. I don't know, it's just, I'm not used to seeing my face like this. My face is actually perfect. Okay, so first and foremost, you want to make sure that your face is clean. And if you have anything on your eye, like your eyes, not eyes, but well, yeah, your eyes, like your eyelashes, like they need to be completely dry and residue free. Like they don't need to have anything on them. Otherwise, the glue won't stick. So make sure that you clean your face before you get started. And when you know how you do the moisturizer or whatever, like when you're rubbing the moisturizer, you know, sometimes it gets on your lashes. Make sure that you wipe the moisturizer off your lashes. And then like if you have the actual lash cleaning solution, make sure that you shampoo your lashes. That way you can get, you know, the extra residue off. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So for the individual lashes, I will be using Bell Mink lashes, and I think I want to use the 16mm ones. That's what I think I'm gonna use, because those are the longest ones I have. And for the clusters, I'll be using the Ardell Duralash Knotted Double Flares, and they're the long black extensions. They also have some in brown. I think I saw brown, but they're at the beauty supply store. Like you can just go to any beauty supply store and find these clusters. To glue my extensions, I'm actually going to be using another Ardell product, and that is the Ardell Lash Tight Adhesive. And last time for my extensions, I used the dark adhesive, but this time I think I want to use clear. I haven't made up my mind yet, but I don't know. Actually, let me just stick with black. So I got my tweezers and my glue ring. And I would also like to advise that you keep some cleaning solution on hand, because sometimes the glue can get on the tweezers, and just make sure that throughout the whole entire process you keep your tweezers clean. Otherwise it's going to be hard to get the extensions on your lashes. So first and foremost, let me put this glue on the ring. It has a thick consistency, so it comes out kind of slow, but yeah, that should be enough. And also this glue kind of dries faster than like the professional lash glue. I mean, this is like professional, but you know what I mean, like the actual glue that Lash Techs use. It's more runny, like water in a way, like it's very liquidy. So I'm gonna lean into the camera a bit just so I can see, because I don't have a mirror, but I would advise doing this in front of a mirror. That way you can see what you're doing actually. Got my lash. And please don't mind my nails, y'all. And I'm gonna dip it in the glue. So now I just gotta find a lash, because I ain't got none no more. Actually, let me just go to the bathroom and do this. I'll be right back. What is on my eye? Okay, so that process is complete. And this took me roughly about an hour. So my guesstimate for this whole entire thing is probably gonna be 2 hours. But yeah, I did the individuals already. And I don't have a particular reason for why I did this, but when I did my fill-in with the clusters, I still had some like individuals on my lashes. And when I did the fill, like, I don't know, something about them just looked really pretty. So I wanted to see if I could recreate that look. But besides that, like, this step isn't necessary. Like, you don't have to put individuals on your lashes before you use the clusters. I'm just doing this because I'm extra like that. One thing I do want to point out though is that you do have to brush your lashes while you're working on them. I don't think I mentioned that earlier in the video, but yeah, before I put on these individuals, I did brush my real lashes, or what's left. So let me brush these right quick. Now we can move on to the clusters. And this I should be able to do on camera because it's really not that complicated. Like with individual lashes, you have to be very detailed. Like you have to get the lash on the lash. And this is kind of the same, but not exactly. And earlier in the video, like when you saw me filling the glue, you really don't need that much. And like I said, this glue kind of dries fast. 1 small drop should do. All right, so I'm gonna get my clusters, and they should be facing like the bottom part. The base should be this way. Okay, so like when you turn it, it should look like this, but it's really faced that way. hopefully y'all understood that. You're going to take one cluster, like so, dip it into the glue, and you don't need a lot at the bottom. I mean, and try not to get it on both sides. Just get it on the top part of the base, because you're not going to apply them over, you're going to apply them under. And this is actually how I applied my individual lashes. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this in the bathroom too. Hold on. Okay, so I am finally done. The sun is going down, so the lighting looks different. I don't know, because y'all gonna see my lashes in future videos anyway. This is the finished product. Let me lift my lids. It's pretty much just, I don't know. All I know is that I'm gonna redo this tutorial because I really feel like this wasn't much of a tutorial because y'all didn't get to see me do it. But hopefully what I've explained so far helps you. And I also want to say this, please don't do this while using the salon lash glue, like the professional lash glue, because it's going to burn your eyes. Like, I tried to do that myself and I didn't get very far. I think I got like 7 individual lashes on mine. Like, no, just don't use that because it will burn your eyes. I kid you not, and you will not be able to do it. So make sure that you get some individual lash glue from the beauty supply store. Leave that other stuff alone. Like, if you're going to use the professional lash glue, somebody else needs to be doing your lashes, but don't do it yourself. You're gonna burn your eyes out. I don't know if I have anything else to say for the time being. I'm hungry, so I'm about to go get some food. But beyond that, that's pretty much it. And this is how they came out. This is the finished product. And again, I'm going to redo a tutorial, and next time I'll have like an actual mirror. The only problem is, okay, I could have did this in my room where my vanity is, but, you know, I really don't like people seeing the inside of my house. Like, y'all know I'm very funny about that. I really appreciate my privacy. And then just, I don't know. Just anything when it comes to social media, you have to be careful of what you post because it could lead to very undesirable outcomes. Next time I have a mirror like right next to me on hand so I can actually see what I'm doing and show y'all at the same time because it's pretty easy and I did want y'all to see it. And also I need longer individuals because this didn't really pop like my fill-in did. My fill-in I feel like looked much better. This looks good though. I'm fine with this. Like I'm satisfied with this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. My lashes are done and I will see y'all in the next video. Take care.